This is a remake of my Casablanca Italian design series Victorian ceiling fan, and it is model 2A0111T, which means that it is white and brass, but this fan has a reverse white and brass finish because it is the special gallery edition from the Italian design series. I got this in 2019 or 2018 from a estate sale in Sterling Heights, Michigan, which is basically Detroit. It's the richest part of the state, so of course it comes from there. And it's one of my favorite fans I have. The light kit is made by F.Fabbian in Italy, and it is gold plated, and it's made out of brass, but it's gold plated. The shades, I think, are Murano glass because F.Fabbian is a Italy company and they made several Murano fixtures too. The center is hand painted porcelain and it's a really gorgeous fan. I have this fan installed in my spare bedroom because yesterday I put a fan rated box here. There used to be this horrible plastic box. I think it's actually fiberglass, but all of the boxes upstairs are like this, except for the master bedroom, which already had a fan box. The downstairs has metal boxes, which I like, but the upstairs has these plastics. But thankfully I had attic access, so I went up to the attic to put in the new box, since they used some staples to stick this part into a wall. Yeah, this part. And it just wouldn't come off through the hole on the ceiling. It says the original box was 3-inch, so I actually had to cut the drywall a bit for it to fit because the new box is a 4-inch. But anyway, I'm going to start with demo mode. It's on wall control that came with my Venus. And when I first installed this yesterday, the fan would not respond to the wall control. Probably because it just hasn't been ran in a long time, but now it works perfectly. It has a replaced flywheel because it's from 1989, which has flywheel disease. It's totally balanced too. This fan is a bit big for this room, but who cares? The bulbs inside are globe candelabra bulbs. They're either 40 watt or 25, I'm not sure. Now speed 1. This was the light that was here before the fan. It's a really cheap light, but it's still better than those flush mount lights because this one is a semi-flush. That means it isn't 100% flush, which is a bit better. But I still hate these lights. They are very ugly and cheap. Speed 2. This is the only brass fan I have in my house, because my house has all like modern-ish finishes, and this room has a brown paint kind of, so It's the only room that fits a brass fan. So this is my favorite brass fan I have, so I put this in here. It's very fancy. Speed 3. Moving good air. It kind of hangs a bit low, but I think it's fine. Speed 4. These are one of Casablanca's finest fans because of their light kits. And this fan was actually introduced in 1987, and they had their own separate catalog called the Italian Design Series catalog, but they also put this fan in the standard 1989 catalog. 5. The light kit shakes a tiny bit on speed 5, but now it isn't doing it anymore. Speed 6. Very powerful as expected. Totally balanced, no wobble at all. And I did not balance this fan at all, so that's pretty good. And off. Some close-ups. Hand painted porcelain. It has a short switch housing because it's a gallery. It still has the tag. There it is. I got it for $25. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!